Hey sis, how are you today? Look
Hi,
at this.
Terry.
It's snowing. Can
You
you
got a
believe this?
lot of snow.
It yeah, it's really like powder. So Willie and I, there's Willie, we're out here in the snow, but I am so glad you're checking up on me today because you know what? We had an exciting time at our Detox Reboot retreat, and we've got
Hey.
another one coming up, and we want to tell people all about it.
Yes.
So I just want to let people know that, if you missed that one, there's another opportunity for you to be transformed. In fact, I was thinking this should be Transformative Tuesday. Margaret, we should do this every Tuesday.
I think
Really encourage people that there's hope, because we had a gal coming through the doors and she could barely walk in and was crying, and she was leaning on her husband and her daughter. And within a few days, she was walking 2 miles and smiling. And when she left, she looked amazing. So, I mean, there is hope for people out there that are just really discouraged or hitting a wall, or maybe they're just, feeling stuck, like no motivation.
yes, very much so. And it's so powerful to be around all the like-minded people and learning and going through the cleanse and what you experience and the cleansing, detoxing the mind, the body, mind, and spirit, the spirituality, God, Jesus, thank you.
That's true. I mean, that's what makes it so powerful is when we all get together and we're going to live together for 7 days, and the synergy of that healing group and the teachings and the raw food and the detox herbal preparations and the sauna and the ozone sauna treatment and the cold hydrotherapy that we've got going on, and just the exercise and so many things I can't even list, the massage, and we had other amenities and the excursion. It was just a beautiful experience, and I think it just energized people to be there, and I think people are really tired of being on lockdown and just want to get away, want to do something for themselves. And hey, you can never go wrong when you invest in yourself. That's the way I look at it. And what a better time than now? We're hitting 2021. Let's start it fresh. Let's give our bodies everything it needs to really have the best immunity, super immunity, as I would say. Right. Brain fog. There you go. We had a gal in there that, her brain fog lifted, and we were just there 7 days. And so, we were able to go and give these folks marching orders when they left, and feel really motivated to go home and share this with their family, their friends, and to stay on it. And I wanted to put it out there too. I've had some guys asking, well, do you take men? And yes, we do. Couples, we are open. And right now I actually have the Pacific Northwest is opening up near Spokane, Coeur d'Alene area. And so we'll have in Nevada, over to Nevada, as well as the Pacific Northwest, looking at doing some retreats in this area too. So wherever you are in the universe, I want to make this available to you and available to men as well. I just want you to give your testimony again, because you know what? You've been on the detox now for some time. Tell everybody what's happened with you, because you've lost some weight. You're still going on it. You said you're back on it again. And why did you decide to stay on it again?
I couldn't lose weight and I wasn't feeling good. And I was actually getting just puffy and blown up, and I could just feel it throughout my whole body. So detoxing has lifted, got 35 pounds off so far since last May. And plus
Wow.
the way I feel better now most days than I did in my 20s.
Awesome.
I don't know if it ever be possible, but it's possible. Yes.
Yeah. It is possible. And I think, people in our age, you're looking at middle age now, where the pounds just stick, and they wonder, I just can't get it off. No matter what I eat, I can drink water and gain weight. You hear a lot of that. And, the reason for that is that people are toxic. They got to get those toxicities out of their bodies, out of their minds. And we need powerful herbal preparations to be able to pass that blood-brain barrier, to be able to reach those cells and on a cellular level detoxify the body. And that's what we're doing. And it's so powerful that people are seeing results within just, a couple days. We already see people having results, and by the time they're ready to go home, they're feeling totally transformed.
Powerful program when put together like this helps your 7 elimination organs start releasing the toxins.
That's right. Supporting the body to do what it's supposed to do, which is to keep us well. Learn how to be well. I just thank you for giving me a call today. I want to get this out to people. We posted a little video of some clips from our event in January. And so we're just excited to share it with everybody. Share it on your page and let people know there is hope. Take responsibility for your own health. Let the doctor be the very last resort. See what you can do yourself to get well through cleansing, detoxifying, through applying some natural remedies, fresh air, exercise, hydrotherapy, heat, sauna, awesome, organic, live, raw juices and food. I mean, there's so many things that we did that all work together to get people well. And we want to put that out there to anybody listening. If you hear this and you're discouraged, hey, there is hope. There is. Well, I'll talk to you later, Margaret. You have a great day.
See you later, Charmaine. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.